So we've got two very accurate books, the Quran and the Gospels. Now, obviously, they contradict each other, although there are similarities.
Definitely.
A lot of similarities, but also contradictions.
Okay.
So now the bottom line question is, does the evidence point to the fact that you can trust Mohammed to speak the truth, or does the evidence point to Jesus Christ being trustworthy? Now, here's how I would go about that. Examine life, style. How did Jesus treat women? How did Mohammed treat women? How did Jesus treat his enemies? How did Mohammed treat his enemies? Those types of questions, lifestyle. Second question, ethical teaching. What are the ethical teachings of Mohammed? What are the ethical teachings of Christ? Are there internal contradictions, or is there an internal consistency? Third question, how did they die? Obviously, in the Gospels, Jesus dies an excruciatingly painful death, forgiving his enemies. Obviously, that demands my respect. Fourth question, what happens after they die? Obviously, in the Gospels, you have an historical resurrection of Christ, and you have eyewitnesses who see him risen from the dead. So study the two, Muhammad in the Quran and Jesus in the Gospels, and ask yourself, what does the evidence point to? Who is more reliable, Muhammad or Christ?